Morning everyone, it's day 3 and I thought I'd take you on a hyperlapse of the actual whole site. So it's a bit like a time lapse but hopefully runs a lot smoother. It's cooler today. A lot of you sort of mentioned, or one of you two mentioned, that I looked a bit stressed yesterday. I wasn't stressed, I was just absolutely boiling and the sweat was just dripping off me. But look, so let's take you on this hyperlapse of the whole Symach site and you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the office. So it'll be up the stairs, you'll see Osvaldo at his desk and Rafaela and Coralie, and then we'll come back down, take you into the factory where everything's built, finishing up into the spray training center. Right, here we go.